Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a pack with me. So before Corona, I was traveling a lot for work, and so I think I really got down a system when it comes to making sure I don't forget anything, to packing everything the most efficiently, to staying organized while I'm on the trip. So I'm going to be showing you guys all the different tips and tricks I've acquired, so I'm super excited. I'm also going to be showing you guys some of the outfits I have planned. I'm also going to be doing a vlog on this trip, so make sure you subscribe so you can watch that vlog. It should be super fun. But yeah, okay, so let's just go ahead and jump into it. If you haven't already, I would love if you would subscribe. I post new videos every Sunday, and let's get going. Okay, so first things first, before I even start packing, I make this little itinerary on my phone. So I write out what days I'm gonna be there, and then what we're doing those days, and what outfits I wanna wear that day, and so I know exactly what I'm packing. I'm someone that plans my outfits like weeks in advance just because I love fashion, but you don't have to do that at all. The biggest key here is just making sure you know what you're wearing each day and kind of having an idea, and then also packing some extras and some extra comfy clothes is kind of what I've learned. Next, this is my other list that is huge. I cannot leave to go anywhere without making sure everything on this list is checked off. So this is my things I might forget list. So I make this every time because there's always just those things that I don't think about. So I wouldn't necessarily forget all of these things because this list just keeps getting longer and longer, but this is just everything that I could see myself forgetting at some point, and I don't want to forget those things. I'm gonna go ahead and lay out all of my outfits that I'm gonna wear, everything from the undergarments I'm gonna wear with them, to what shoes, to what accessories, to sunglasses, and lay all of that out on my bed, and then go from there. Really quick, I just had to give you guys a little bit of a preview of my outfits. This for Love and Lemon's dress, oh my gosh. This shirt from Zara, pants Anthropology, dress Zara, awesome scrunchie and hat. Just had to give you guys a little bit of taste. Gotta entice you to watch my vlog. I hope you guys like this, but I'm just gonna incorporate little random tips that I think of throughout this video, but one of them being, if you have tough tags like this from Zara, cut off all of your tags before you leave. That way when you're rushing to get ready for dinner when you're on the vacation, you don't have to like scramble to find a pair of scissors. Okay, a little bit of progress. The sun is going down and I'm not even halfway done, I don't think, but I always lay out my airport outfit the night before. Just I have like a cozy sweater, shirt, biker short, sports bra, socks, just so I'm ready in the morning and it's easy as possible. I think I have mostly everything laid out, but I'm gonna switch and do my makeup and skincare stuff I'm gonna pack right now. So I like to just kind of walk away from my clothes for a little bit just so I can kind of like think about it in my head a little bit. I don't know. Does anybody know what I mean? Where you feel like you can kind of look at it with fresh eyes and see if you're missing anything. So during quarantine, like intense quarantine, I was really excited to travel again, and so I treated myself to Shay Mitchell's travel line called Bays. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but I'll link it below. And I got this one for cosmetics and this one for makeup, and I'll show you how cool they are. So this one for makeup, the top opens and then it opens like a square, which is nice because you can see everything in there really nicely. And then this bottom part opens too, if I can get that. Wow, this is hard one-handed. And I like to put brushes down here and just keeps it separate, so love that little guy. And then I think this one is my favorite. So this is what I put all my skincare in, and it opens up like this, and then like this, and then has a hook, and then you can hang it up when you're in the hotel or wherever. Okay, just finished packing up this and I'm about to close it. So just have like all of my makeup wipes, face medicine, sunscreen, deodorant, vitamin C, contact, toner, toothbrush, eyelash serum, cotton rounds, like all that good stuff. And I'm about to close this guy up. And then I also forgot it came with this also, but there's just no way in heck this is gonna close with this inside of that. But this is gonna be like my little shower bag. So I know, I'm so extra. So I have lotion for after the shower, this to comb through my hair, a scrunchie if I'm not washing my hair that night, a razor, face wash, mini shampoo and conditioner. Yeah. Okay, so now the real fun begins, because I got out my handy dandy packing cubes, and when I tell you this is the best thing I've ever bought off Amazon, I am not kidding. So when you open this guy up, you have this main big one, and it's nice because it has like, you obviously know what's in it because it's yours, but there's a little like pictures right here. So this would be like your big clothes. This little guy is for undergarments. This one is a smaller one for clothes. It even comes with a dirty clothes bag, which is amazing. A shoes bag, and one more garment bag. Okay, I can't believe I'm saying this, but I'm nearing the end. So just, have you ever seen something more aesthetically pleasing in your life? So I did like all of my really cute outfits in here, so I knew where they were, and they were all pretty like thin material since it's, you know, spring and summer. And so I put 2 sweatshirts or like sweaters in there because it's gonna be kind of chilly at night. Then I did the remainder, I did like my socks and my swimsuits and some scrunchies in here because the socks wouldn't fit in this one with the rest of the undergarments. And then I have like lounge clothes in here, like another airport outfit, t-shirt, stuff like that. And then I shockingly, I guess because they're all like strappy sandals and wedges, all my shoes fit in there. So yes. And then one thing I still have not figured out yet though is how to pack a hat. So I think I'm just gonna be putting that in my carry-on. Yeah, because I don't want to ruin it. Two last things and then we are done. So for jewelry, I like to put it in this little pouch I got. I don't even know when I got this, but it's perfect for jewelry. And then for my carry-on, classic, always use this guy, and I don't even really know what I need to put in this because I'm bringing a purse that's kind of big. Probably just my hat. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I am pooped and I'm about to go to bed, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. New videos every Sunday, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss my Napa vlog, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.